Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Update your iPhone 12 to the latest iOS. Open Settings, go to General, tap Software Update, and install. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and make sure your account's country is set to one that supports Apple Intelligence in Europe. Also enable location services and Siri so contextual features can run. These steps unlock region checks and device capabilities. They prepare the phone for the feature rollout and avoid delays when you move to the configuration step. Now configure Apple Intelligence. Open Settings and find Apple Intelligence, then enable the feature and follow the onboarding prompts. When asked, grant permissions for microphone, photos, location, and contacts so the assistant can provide relevant, personalized results. Make choices about data handling, prefer on-device processing for privacy, or allow iCloud for broader context, because that balance affects speed and capabilities. If you use multiple Apple devices, enable handoff and iCloud syncing to keep prompts and context aligned across your ecosystem. Finish by restarting your iPhone 12, then test Apple Intelligence with a conversational query or the widget to confirm responses. If functionality is missing, verify your Apple ID country, iOS version, and regional availability in settings because mismatch is the most common blocker. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence settings or sign out and back into your Apple ID to force re-provisioning. This often clears server-side flags. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, toggle location and Siri off, reboot, then re-enable them to reboot permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.